Mornings in Muribenua, sand stuck under our feet. We played on the beach all day, salt on our lips, salt on our cheeks. Swim and fish by the reef line, where the breakers always roar. Niku now in our bloodstream, ocean knocking at the door. Those Muribenua days, Tamau was our playground, wild and free, riding through the dark, chasing wind between the trees. Those Muribenua days, from town A to the reef, we knew our way. I still hear the waves calling me back home someday. Months of Tlin and Naba, preparing for the year to turn. The cards on our shoulders, oh, got the biggest bye-bye this time we'll learn. Playing balaba, sorry, canisita, Taroka spread across the floor. Whole village round a 20-inch TV, movie flicker on the main out the door. Those Muribenua days, Tamau was our playground, wild and free, riding through the dark, chasing wind between the trees. Those Muribenua days, from town A to the reef, we knew our way. I still hear the waves calling me back home someday. Afternoon sun, volleyball flying, Ataneka dances till our legs shake. Oh, riding our bikes in the dark to other villages, laughing loud, leaving dusty trails in our wake. Swimming at tawny stars above us, buaka to Bessie calling in the night. Reef instead of lagoon in our memories, Muribenua burning soft but bright. Those Muribenua days, Tamau